How to fix your Rufus not displaying any devices. So you could go ahead and plug in your USB and then open up your Rufus, of course. And if you see something like this, there's no devices or anything, what you're gonna do is press on Alt F4. So basically this over here, and once you press that, you will be able to see your devices as well. So it's not really a real fix for detection, it simply closes and forces your Rufus to restart cleanly. And when you reopen Rufus, it rescans all connected drives from scratch. And if the USB was plugged in after Rufus was opened or there was a temporary glitch, restarting the app using Alt F4 will trigger a refresh device detection, which can make the drivers or the devices appear. But that's pretty much one thing you can do if your devices are not appearing for your Rufus. So hopefully it helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.